In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a habit tracker in Google Sheets. Creating a habit tracker can be an excellent way to keep yourself accountable and track your progress, whether you're looking to build new habits or break old ones. Today, we'll walk through the process of setting up a simple yet effective habit tracker using Google Sheets, which is a free and widely accessible tool. Now let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up Google Sheets. You can easily do this by navigating to sheets.google.com in your web browser. If you don't have a Google account, you'll need to create one to get started. Once you're logged in, create a new blank spreadsheet by clicking on the plus icon. This will be our blank canvas for building the habit tracker. Next, we're going to construct a routine table. In this table, list all the habits you want to track along the left-hand column. These could be anything from drinking a certain amount of water daily to exercising regularly. Across the top row, list the days of the week or any timeline that works best for you. This creates the basic grid for tracking your habits over time. Once your routine table is set, it's time to add a visual aspect to it by inserting tick boxes. These will serve as a quick and interactive way to mark habits as completed. To do this, click on the cell you want to contain the tick box, then navigate to the top menu and click on Insert. From the drop-down menu, select Tick Box. You can now see a tick box appear in the selected cell. Go ahead and repeat this for each cell in your table where you want to track your habit activity over time. Next comes the fun part of highlighting. This can help visualize your progress more clearly. For instance, you might want cells where the habit was completed to light up in a specific color. To do this, click on the first cell you want to format. Then go to Format in the menu and select Conditional Formatting. In the Conditional Format Rules panel that appears on the right, set the format cells to Custom Formula is. Here you can enter a formula to specify that whenever a cell with a tick is detected, it should change color. Apply this rule and the cells will visually indicate progress whenever you complete a habit. Finally, remember to save your work frequently. Google Sheets generally auto-saves your changes, but it's always a good idea to double-check that everything is stored correctly. You've now got a handy and personalized habit tracker that will give you a clear overview of your progress. Monitoring your habits visually can make a significant difference in keeping yourself motivated and on track. Thanks for tuning in, and happy tracking!